Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. And children, today I am going to explain you about lesson 3 Air, Water and Weather part 2. Okay, let me share the screen. Yes. So children, we'll go with the experiment 4. Sea breeze and land breeze experiment 4. So here children, I took two bowls. One bowl I filled with sand and another bowl I filled with water. Okay, I took this both the bowls and I kept outside in the sun and I waited for 2 hours. Okay, so after 2 hours, I went outside and I checked the temperature of the sand as well as the water. Okay, after checking the temperature, I observed that the sand absorbs heat faster than water. Okay, why? It is because as the sun's rays falls on both the bowls, but still the sand absorbs heat faster than water. Okay, so coming to the next one, when I took this both the balls, I kept inside in my house. Okay, and after keeping inside, again I waited for 2 hours. After waiting, again I checked the temperature of sand and water. When I checked the temperature, I observed that the sand cools faster than water. Okay, so what is the conclusion in this? It is nothing but the sand absorbs heat faster than water. In the same way, it also cools down faster than water. On the other hand, water absorbs and loses heat more slowly than land. Okay, so when you can observe, the sand absorbs the heat as well as it cools down faster. It absorbs the heat faster and it cools down faster also. Okay, and coming to the next one. Before going to the sea breeze, let me remind you the concept once again. Children, already we know that warm air is when the warm air is lighter, it always rises up. Yes, when warm air is lighter, it always rises up. And suppose the cool air is heavier, it moving to take its place. It will take the place of the warm air. Yes. So coming just now we have learned about this experiment. For what we have learned, sand absorbs heat faster as well as it cools down faster. Okay. But as compared to the water, water absorbs heat very slowly and it cools down very slowly. So this is the main concept and let us go to the sea breeze. Okay. So children, in the sea breeze also, you can observe. In the sea breeze also, you can observe what happens during the daytime. Okay. In the coastal areas, mainly in the coastal areas, you can find the land as well as the sea side by side. So what happens? The land during the day, land gets heated. How? Because of the sun. The sun rays falls on the sea as well as the water. And already we learned the concept that the sand absorbs heat faster than water. Yes, in the same way here also the land absorbs the heat faster. So what happens? The air above the land gets warmer and slowly it rises up. When it gets warmer, slowly it rises up. And what about the cool air above the sea? This cool air slowly it rushes to take its place. Okay. Once again, I am telling you, when the land gets heated, the air above the land gets warmer. As it is warmer, slowly it rises up, slowly it rises up. And the cool air above the sea, it slowly rushes in to take its place. Okay? So, thus, air flowing from sea towards the land is called sea breeze. Air flowing from sea towards the land is called sea breeze. Okay? Next one. Suppose land breeze. Again, I will remind you the concept. Okay, the sand absorbs the heat faster as well as cools down faster. Yes? So what happens at night time? The land breeze at the night time, the land cools down faster. Okay? At that time, here the sea gets warmer. Okay? Here the air above the sea rises up slowly at the night time only. Okay? At the night time, the land becomes cooler and the sea gets warmer. Yes? The air above the sea rises up slowly. So what happens to the land? The cool air above the land, it rushes in to take its place. It want to take the place of the warm air. This cool air want to take the place of the warm air. But what happens? We already know the warm air is lighter, so it always rises up. So warm air slowly rises up. Okay, it happens at the night time. During night time, it happens. So thus air flowing from land towards the sea is called land breeze. Okay, thus air flowing from land towards the sea is called land breeze. Okay, once again I am reminding the concept. So during the daytime, the land gets heated. Okay, and the as it is getting heated, it gets warmer. Okay, so what happens? The warm air rises up. The warm air above the land rises up. Okay, when this warm air is rising up, the cool air above the sea, it rushes to take the place of the warm air. Okay, this is called sea breeze. It happens during the daytime when the sun is available because the heat comes from the sun only. And what happens towards the land breeze? Coming to the land breeze, at night time, the land cools down faster. Okay, at that time, the sea gets warmer. Slowly the warm air rises up. Why warm air rises up slowly? It is because warm air is always lighter and slowly it rises up. Warm air slowly rises up. And the air above the land, the cool air above the land, it rushes in to take the place of the warm air. This is called land breeze. Okay? So children, hope you understood the concept. Yes? So coming to the new words, absorb. Second one is difference. Third one is quickly. Fourth one is sea breeze. Fifth one is land breeze. Sixth one is thermometer. Seventh one is experiment. Eighth one is coastal areas. Okay. Let us see the related question and answer. What is the land breeze? How does it occur? At night, the land cools down faster than the sea. As I said, at night time only the land cools down faster than the sea. So the sea is warmer than the land. The warm air above the sea rises up. The cooler air over the land blows towards the sea to take its place. Thus, a cool land breeze blows towards the sea during the night. Okay, this is the answer for the land breeze. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you so much. Hope you understood the concept. Try to read the lesson twice so that you will be able to understand the concept. Okay. Thank you so much once again. Have a nice day.